Hey guys, right, so, I do apologise for the lighting. It is stupidly late. When I say stupidly late, the time is 10 to midnight. Just come home from work, but not tired. So I thought, fuck it, I'm going to do this video now instead of waiting a bit longer. It is highly anticipated by myself, at least. I've been talking to the guy in question for quite a while. Yes, a while. I'm not jumping on any fucking bandwagons because people start shit and everything else. I fully understand that any type of press is good press, even bad press. And if that's your thing, that's your thing. It ain't mine. I'm here to be honest with you guys more than anything else. And there's nothing fucking wrong with that. If you don't like it, it's your own fucking problem. So, you ready? I got a box. To those in the know, they already know what's coming, just from that little bit alone. And that's a really good touch. I like that a lot. You ready? Ba ba da ba. I don't know if my camera's going to be good enough for you to see that, but it's from the wild hare. I've been really looking forward to this. Like I say, the guy's been incredible. He's gave me quite a few things to think about when it comes to his products, because I know they're going to be amazing even before I slap this stuff on my face. And I know that because he takes pride in his product. Yeah. It's not just making something willy-nilly and throwing it out like most companies do. Even little ones. He actually takes pride in his product. So, let's crack on, shall we? This is what you get when you open it. Yeah, I didn't cut the bloody tape, alright? I did check to make sure everything was good like he asked me to and nothing was broken, which is a good thing. Like I said, he takes pride in his product, even when it gets the other end. He did send me a few extra little gubbins, and I will go into some of the products that are in here. No, I'm not going to try any on today. I'm looking forward to doing a full series on what's in this box. So deal with it. You're going to have to wait a little while to get my review. Okay? Okay. So let's start. First things first, you're not going to be able to see it because it's a car sticker, but there is something on there. Look, hold on. Where did that glare go? You can see it as I move it around, look. Where did it go? Where is it? There you go. One day that will be on a car window. But what's on the sticker is this. Like I say, it is dark, so you've got to put up with the fact that there is a light here today. Not normally, well, normally I'll have the blind up so the sun's coming through, but there ain't none at fucking midnight. That's his card, look. The best I can show it you. In fact, let me just beat that out, look. There you go. All the details and gubbins on the back. I will be linking everything. A proper sticker, which is going to go on my beer fridge with every other sticker that I get through companies. And you get a nice card, look, with a personal thank you on the back. Again, that's how you know a guy loves his company. He doesn't have to take his time to write this stuff, look. It's quite easy to fucking stick one of these things in a printer and print out with a general message on the back. He even takes the time to stamp it with the same stamps on the box. And it's quite apt that I've got this, because I've actually ordered this one. I went through the website and I trawled through everything. I was struggling to make a choice. Yeah, I was actually struggling to make a choice. So I asked him, I messaged him, I reached out to the guy and I was like, right, what do you recommend? Yeah, that's how good his customer service is. That's how good his his customer services. He recommended me some stuff. He gave me his personal recommendation. So of course I ordered it. You listen to the people that make the products. So, I got 1 times Brady, 1 times Rose. Can you see? Look. Yeah, I know. Hold on. Right. There you go. Look, Rose. I'll show you Brady again. There'd be a Brady. They have some really, really cool artwork. This one is one that I chose. Where's she gone? There you go. There's your Joanna. And because he's that much of a nice guy, I got a 4th one for free. Again, this is his choice. He chose this one to send me. And this one is called Harold. See? He sent me a car sticker because he knows I'm going to do him good. And if his product shit, turns out to be shit, I'll tell him his product shit because it turned out to be shit. But on the upside, if it's good, I'll bloody tell you it's good. And I'll recommend it to you. Because that's the kind of guy I am. Honest. So I'm thankful for that. He didn't have to do that. He didn't have to send these, but he did. Because he's a nice guy. And I'm going to give him the reviews that I give everybody. I don't know if you're welcome yet, but I am. So thank you very much. So like I said, I've got 4. I ordered 3. This is basically everything you'll get sent. They even go the extra lot. They don't throw the cheap crap. You get red crap, which I will actually be saving because, like I said, being a reenactor, it's always nice to have that extra bit of kindling to go with anything, especially when you're trying to light a fire because you're cold or drunk. I don't recommend lighting a fire in a drunk. I have several responsible adults when I go anywhere, unless it's to work. But other than that, there's always a responsible adult around. So like I said, this has been a very small unboxing of a wild hare. I'm very, very looking forward to these products. And I know the guy is looking forward to seeing me try his products. Hopefully I don't upset him. I mean, he doesn't seem like a wet fart, so he should be alright. But like I said, if the product is anything like the presentation and the effort he's gone to just for my own customer service, which I guarantee he'll give you guys as well, then I won't be disappointed. So until I crack on with these, like I say, it's going to be, well, this will be the first one, so you're looking at a 5-part installment of this. I'm going to love and leave you all. Again, it's always a massive honour to have you all here. I do appreciate it, and I do love you all. Yes, even you. Even you. So for now, I'm going to say goodbye, guys, and I'm going to go to bed. But I love you all, and I'll see you all later. Cheers.